Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to set up pre-order on Shopify. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This will be a very easy tutorial because we are going to download a certain application here. First you need to do is press settings, go to apps and channels, and it will lead you to Shopify App Store. And on the Shopify App Store, simply press or type in pre-order. There's a certain app here, which is this one. Make sure that it is rated to its highest, which is 4.5, and it has many reviews to make sure that it is the right one. Now we're going to simply press install, and this will add pre-order to your Shopify, making it easier to automate everything, and it allows you to have pre-order on your products. I hope I've been a big help for you guys. Thank you for watching.